Hello everyone. So here we are for our next chapter in our data science playlist, data science using Python. We have clustering. So in which we will learn we have to demonstrate the application of k-means clustering. So first we will see that what is clustering. So clustering, which means grouping data for insights. So, unsupervised learning. Clustering is a form of unsupervised learning where the algorithm finds patterns in the data without any predefined labels. So basically, clustering is a form of supervised learning where the algorithm it finds patterns in a data without any predefined labels and groups similar data. It aims to group data that share similar characteristics, revealing hidden relationship within your data. Clustering also group the data points with similar characteristics. So next we have clustering algorithm. So clustering has different algorithm. It has k-means algorithm. It is simple and efficient. It partitions data into k clusters based on distance to centroids. Hierarchical clustering creates a hierarchy of clusters starting from individual points and merging them based on similarity. Third, DB scan identifies clusters based on density, grouping points that are close together and ignoring sparse outliers. Then what is k-means clustering? First we choose k, selected the desired number of clusters based on domain knowledge. Then second, initialize centroids. Randomly select initial cluster centers. Then third, we assign points. We assign each point to the closest centroid. Then fourth, we update centroids, recalculate the centroids based on assigned points. Then fifth, we have repeat until convergence. Iterate until cluster assignment stabilize. Then we have hierarchical clustering. First, in which we have agglomerative, which starts with each point as a separate cluster and merge the closest pairs until a desired numbers of clusters is reached. Then second, it is divisive. It starts with all points in one cluster and split them into subgroups until individual points are isolated. Then we have dendrogram. It visualizes the hierarchy of clusters showing the merging or splitting steps at different levels. Then we have DB scan clustering, density based. It groups points that are close together in terms of density, creating clusters that are well defined and isolated. Noise points, outliers that do not belong to any clusters, are labeled as noise points. Apps and MINPTS, two parameters control the density. EPS defines the neighborhood radius and MINPTS defines the minimum number of points required for a core point. Then we have applications of clustering. First, customer segmentation, group customers into segments based on purchasing behavior, demographics, or preferences. Then, anomaly detection, identify unusual data points that devise from the norm, potentially indicating fraudulent activity. Then we have image segmentation, divide image into distinct regions based on color, texture, or other features. Then choosing the right clustering algorithm. How to choose the right clustering algorithm? First, we will see the data type. Consider the type of data, such as it is numerical, categorical or textual. Second, we will see the cluster shape. Choose an algorithm that can handle the expected cluster shape, such as it is spherical or non-spherical. Third, we have outlier sensitivity. Decide whether the algorithm should be sensitive to outliers or robust to their presence. So here we are almost done with our clustering, that means grouping data for insights.